This is a finished work, but they're physically challenged. If without adequate tools and equipment they are able to accomplish this, then we want to believe that with God they will do better than this. So we have vowed to assist them to grow so that they will support themselves, support others, and also help our society to be a better one. I thank you all. Thank you.